good, Does Nation? So I got Fed YouTube. What's up, man? So for those of you that have been following me for a while, you know that I've been living in Colombia for a month now. I showed you guys my last apartment tour. I was only paying about $20 a night. This one is actually a little bit less. I keep on getting these really affordable apartments that are nice. I told you guys that at my last apartment here in Medellin, I didn't like a couple of things about it. That apartment also didn't have air conditioning, but to be honest, after living here for a month, I realized that in Medellin, the climate is so good that you kind of don't even need air conditioning. But with that being said, man, in this one, I do have air conditioning in every room. So this is a 2-bedroom apartment. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks, man.
I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, wet. Tell them run it up, no sleep, might crash, might wreck, but first die, stretch, tell them run it up.
Alright, so when you walk into the apartment, this is how it looks, man. So actually, I'll probably show you. So actually, there's a washer dryer right here. So there's a washer and dryer unit outside of it. But this is it right here. So when you walk in, man, this is the apartment. As I said, it is 2 bedrooms. This is the kitchen area, the fridge, you know, like the microwave, all that stuff. Stove, burner stove, small oven, cabinets, you know, more cabinets, you know, cups, stuff like that, plates, got the coffee maker. This is obviously a furnished apartment, obviously. So I'm gonna take you to the first bedroom over here. And each bedroom has its own bathroom. So this is the bathroom right here. Very modern. And again, I'm paying about, let's see. I'm paying about $18 USD. That's $18 USD a night to stay here. So, bathroom, shower, simple, okay? Now, walk into the room. I believe this is a queen bed. Queen bed. Nice artwork. Storage space right here. You know, hangers, sheets, TV. Nice little dedicated workspace right there. Come around. This is how it looks outside. What I like about this particular spot that I'm at is there is a restaurant right there. You feel me? So I could walk down every day and just, you know, just get some good food. More storage space, and both rooms do come with a safe, extra towels, all that good stuff, man. So this is the first room right here. And then I'm gonna take you to where I'm sleeping at. This is, I guess, you know, like the chill area, dining / you know, like living room area, couch. Dope artwork over here. That is actually the air conditioning unit. That's the AC unit. This place also does come with a, you know, little, I think that's a phone. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I don't know what that is. You know, bar stools, all the above, man. TV, I think this is a 50-inch TV. This place does have fast Wi-Fi. So for all of you thinking about visiting Colombia, especially Medellin, come here, man, and come see how you like it. You know, me personally, I love it. So this is my room. So first thing I'm gonna show you is the walk-in closet right here. So this is the walk-in closet. You know, pretty basic, you know, drawers, extra towels. As you can see, I've got all my stuff right here, my suitcases and everything, you know, ironing board, iron, seats, pillows, and also, you know, a safe. Excuse my stuff. I just moved in here. So this is the room. Now this apartment is definitely smaller than the previous one I was staying at, but to be honest, I don't need 3 bedrooms. You know what I mean? So this is gonna be fine. TV, you know, some dope artwork, another air conditioning unit. I just really like the colors and the designs of every apartment here in Medellin. So this is I think this is a queen bed, which is a little bit bigger than the last spot that I stayed at. You know, windows. Okay, and then this is the restroom. Now, as you can see, this bathroom is way bigger than the other one I took you at. Obviously, that's because this is the, you know, like the master bedroom. So, basic toilet, sink, very modern looking. Very modern looking. Cabinets, all the above. Big shower, man. Big shower. You know, I could walk in here. I'm still gonna hit my head on this, you know, because I'm 6'5", but you know, window in the shower. And I mean, this is nice, man. I mean, $18 USD. You can't beat this. Something like this in the States, right? So just to give you guys like an example, last month I stayed in Atlanta, Georgia for 3 nights, right? And for 3 nights, it cost me almost $400 to stay in an Airbnb. Almost $400. $400 is roughly what it's gonna cost me. If my math is right, you feel me? Like, I'm not the best at math, but $400, you know what I'm saying, can get you a decent stay for about a month over here in Medellin. And I mean, look at it, man. It looks nice. Cabinets, extra sheets, towels, air conditioning, fast Wi-Fi, entertainment system, you know, safety, you know, everything you need, first aid kit. And it looks nice and modern. It's clean, it's quiet, located in a very good area. I'm actually by Envigado, you know what I'm saying? And it's located by a bunch of restaurants, you know, like attraction, bars, all that stuff. Anything you want to do. Freezer, fridge, you know what I'm saying? I got some food in there already. Washer, dryer, right out the door. So this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this tour. Make sure to comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this apartment. Do you like this one better than the other one I was staying at? I personally like this one because I don't need 3 bedrooms. It's nice and compact, it's quiet, and this one is actually in a less touristy area, which I prefer because the tourist areas are okay, but I like being in the local areas because 1, the food is cheaper, and 2, I get to practice speaking Spanish with you know what I'm saying, like locals. So I like that. So I get to practice my Spanish. I get to learn about the culture more, be completely immersed in the culture with the people from here, man. So again, family, this is it. Comment down below and hit me up if you guys want to learn about, you know, like what spots are good to go to when you do, you know, like come to Medellin, Colombia. This is how I'm living for $18 a night USD, and you could do it too, man. Come here, you know, maybe for, you know, like 2 weeks or a month, and just take some time off, man. Enjoy Colombia and just chill. So, see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Wave. Look, why you mad? Get to the bag. Long face, duck a case, get the cash. I've been living fast, still far from average. Real talk, all this shit is right outside what I imagine. Young, black and raspy, catch me with a lab. Young nigga make the slap that make her body do magic. Won't stop till my bank account magnets. Looking like I'm still running.